lion knocked into the air. A successful counterattack. No kings always triumph during his reign. Lions, the king of jungle, have failed many times before their prey or even been chased. Today, let's explore 50 moments of lion near death with the hawk. A prey seemingly easy to hunt down by a lion. But no, the lion was even scared away by the wildebeest's horns. In Londolozi, a lioness suffered serious injuries to her bottom and tail. Near death. The hyenas smelled the blood and appeared more and more crowded. Fierce to the very end, she refuses to let the hyenas kill her. A giant army. The herd of thousands of buffalo is moving, causing dust to scatter. Four lions attack one buffalo. With a wonderfully cohesive communication signal, the entire herd of buffaloes return to save their brethren. But, as if his fate is sealed, they still had to trade 3 children for the predator. Lions continue to leave their prey and run away, but they are already dead. The army of buffaloes failed. A relaxing moment. The lion cubs were playing with their mother and 3 young lions frantically attack an old lion. The way they approach a territorial fight is brutal. But without killing, they let the old lion find a place to end his life himself. Buffalo has discovered a predator lying on the ground. Quietly observing. 1, 2, 3. Flying up and then falling down, making the lion run away in fear. Rushing to the prey from afar. The lion ran away in pain before it was too late. Watching from afar. Lions are choosing suitable prey to attack. Oryx also detected danger and ran away. 1, 2, 3. Though knocked down, Oryx still uses his sharp horn to defend himself, just a little careless, and the lion will be stabbed through the abdomen by the sharp knife-like horn. Lying, dying in front of the buffalo. The lion still did not give up his pride to save his life. He tried to hold on to his prey, even though he was on the verge of death. While the lion is almost exhausted, the buffalo is still prolific and attacks fiercely. Continuously use the horn to attack the lion. A buffalo carrying a lion. The lion was trying to take down the buffalo from its back, but this prey 3 times its size still had plenty of strength left to fight. The buffalo's companion appeared to have broken the formation. Lions getting hurled to the air was inevitable had they not run away. Having detected the intruder, three lions immediately rushed to attack. The outlier knew that he was alone and could not win against the majority, so running was the only way to survive. The white lion angered the reigning king and upset the pride of lions. Luckily, everything had stopped before it was too late. The defeated lion fled to the river, but the usurpers still did not spare him. Attacking, threatening. Frightened losers scream. The lion is enchanted while playing with the lizard. The buffalo suddenly rushed over. He injured a child. Amidst the white smoke and the thousands of buffaloes, one saw the unnatural figure of a lion bobbing in the crowd. Exactly. The lion is completely helpless and exhausted when surrounded by thousands of buffaloes. He cannot find an opening to escape. Lying motionless on the ground. The lion is suffering. With the intention of attacking the calves, the lion was repeatedly blocked by the mother buffalo with her pair of strong, curved horns. But their hunting instinct knows no boundary. They coaxed the mother buffalo to separate from her cubs, and then the remaining lion took the meal. All the lions are resting in the middle of the road. If you don't move, the elephant will step on you. Rhinos have problems climbing out of the water. Chosen. But the lion made a mistake. The rhino got out of the swamp and continued to attack the lion. Three young kings move from the inhabited land in search of new beginnings. 1, 2, 3. Just a little more, and the lion will have its head crushed. A delicious feast. No. An unexpected counterback. The wildebeest frantically resisted the lion, and one of the two was trapped in its horn. He escaped death. This male lion is surrounded and attacked by a whole pride of females. Maybe he was a stranger and had intended to attack the lion cubs. Resting in the teeth of other lions, the male couldn't counterattack. A random encounter between giants and hunters. One of the elephants got angry and chased after the lions, which included their cubs. Luckily, no children were trampled. Rhinos have unexpectedly saved the hyena's life. He frantically chases the injured male lion. The lion ran away in fear, making the leg wound worse. The rhinoceros horn could easily make him go to meet his ancestors. A weak and old lion. With his thin body sick and seriously injured, he still had to fight with other young lions to protect his life. A crocodile encounter. The lion is not only afraid, but he also teases the killer of the swamp. He didn't realize that a single bite of the crocodile could take his life. Approaching the river quickly, the lions forget that this place is a death trap, and even them may die. Exactly. The crocodile attacked, causing the lion to panic and run away. A fight of these 3 young kings. A calf has been knocked down, and this lion is trying to hold the prey. But among thousands of these big and strong buffaloes, what will happen then? The buffalo attacked. The lion ran away. And when it came to the lion's turn, the buffalo then ran away. This process has been repeated 11 times in 2 hours. At the end, the winning is for the lion's side. Watching from afar, lions spot their prey from far away. They are choosing a suitable grave from a wide range of options. They are speeding up. A calf has been targeted. Immediately, other buffaloes rush to rescue the child. The lion ran away in fear, leaving the lioness alone to wrestle with the crowd. But unable to hold out for long, it finally gave up. A large and united collective is like a rocket shot straight to predators. 2 lions and 2 lionesses. They were working on a plan to knock down their large, solitary prey. But, you know, it's not that easy. The lion has been probing this giant for a long time, looking for a weakness that could open up good opportunities, but it's hard to believe, but this is a buffalo in full swing. It has enough strength and experience to be able to turn a lion into a small prey. This land of Chobe, Botswana, originally belonged to buffalo, but it has been occupied by lions in this recent 1 year. After returning from a migration of thousands of kilometers, buffalo began a counterattack against oppression. Receiving consecutive attacks from buffalo, but lions do not seem to resist and just run away. Simply put, it might realize that there will be no good ending in this situation. These 15 lions had prepared a plan to attack the Africa buffaloes, but the disconnect between each member made the strength of the group more fragile than ever. Those were young and inexperienced hunters. Buffalo is the strongest hunter today. Here was a peaceful morning in the Serengeti. Hundreds of buffaloes were relaxing, bathing in mud and basking in the sun. The moment was so delightful until the lion appeared. A buffalo has separated from the herd with its cubs. The lion took that opportunity quickly. Everything seemed to be going well. But not. The signal for help was sent out, and the huge herd of buffaloes was immediately present. This poor lion instantly ran away before the god of death came. Though only hunting alone, the lioness shows its formidable strength. In the process of suffocating the prey, troublemakers appeared in an unusually large number. Another buffalo approached the lion as if to probe. The number seems to be increasing. Lion trying to speed up. It is giving up and trying to run away. From a fierce predator, the lioness was turned into prey by hundreds of buffaloes with fear and starvation. The lion was surrounded by a herd of fierce buffalo. It did not even have a way and a chance to run away. The lion repeatedly climbed a tree in awe, but fear made it partly become a loser. The consecutive buffalo's horn attacks were so terrible that the lion did not have time to react. This crazy scene is going on. Maybe the ending would be a horrible death. A moment caught in Tanzania witnessed 7 lions, of which 4 females and 3 males were combined to take down a Cape buffalo over the course of 3 hours. After that, the buffalo's friend tried to save its ally. Different from the buffalo in the previous moment, this was a proud and young one. It even provoked in front of the ferocious lions. But as we all foresee, Its pride was soon extinguished. It might realize its personal mistake now, right? Don't let the buffalo beings suffer more. A herd of up to 1,000 members were quickly present to assist. There are no other options. Lions are forced to abandon the prey. No king is invincible. Everyone has their own moments and heydays. Lions are no exception. And what do you think of the moments that can lead to the death of the lion? Did you like them? Don't forget to click the like button, share, and subscribe to the Hawk channel. Wish you all good things. For now, goodbye.